Welcome to our presentation on choosing digital signage software. For more information, visit presentationchannel.com. Digital signage has become really popular. It's more flexible than traditional signage. It's less expensive because you don't have to reprint everything every time you do it. The ads and information on digital signage can change every day or even every few minutes or even every few seconds. And they can be multimedia, which includes video and audio, which draws a lot more attention than just static words and pictures. So how do you choose your digital signage software? The first decision you have to make is, do you want a proprietary system or sort of a standard software system? A proprietary digital signage system is custom hardware, monitors, software, and operating systems that have been built for digital signage. So they're one purpose. That's what they're for. Standard software is software that runs just on common operating systems and uses standard computer hardware and monitors. So here's the differences. With a proprietary system, you have to learn whatever operating system they've created for this. So it can be sometimes quite clunky depending on how good the company is that's designed the software, because it's custom. It's not something you've seen or used before. The system's only use is for digital signage. It can't be used for anything else. That's what its purpose is. And because the hardware is specially designed for this, it has a limited value at the end of its life. With a software-based system, you're working with an operating system you already know, such as Windows. These systems can also act as normal computers, so you can create digital signage systems that are maybe part-time, might work within your entire organization as digital signage when they're not in use, but the rest of the time they can act as normal computers. And the nice thing about this kind of software is you can try before you buy, whereas if you've installed a very large, expensive system in your facility, you're stuck with it. And the hardware at the end of life, like when you upgrade to new hardware, has the same value as regular computers and monitors when you upgrade. The next thing to look at is, what features do you need? Are you just showing this on a single screen, multiple screens? Do you need to be able to display different signage on different screens? For example, if you've got one area of the facility, are you going to be showing different events, different advertising, different things than you are going to be in different ones? And scheduling. Well, you need to be able to schedule your advertising, your signs and things to change. And what formats you need to show. You got to make sure that whatever software you're using can show these formats. So are you showing just static information, photos, video, RSS feeds, etc.? With any software, the support is critical. One of the tricks I use is, whenever I'm thinking of trying some software, I will ask a couple of questions before I buy. I'll send in support tickets and I'll see how responsive are they. Do they get back to me within one business day, a week, 2 weeks? And that shows me, okay, if they're not getting back to me for 2 or 3 weeks, then this is probably not a company I want to work with, because if I have any trouble, I'm going to be stuck waiting for weeks. You want to look for software that's used by many others, so see who else is using it, and see if they let you try before you buy or offer some sort of a guarantee. It really helps if you can purchase the software, but then return it if it doesn't quite meet your needs. You want software that makes it easy to add and manage your content. The software we recommend actually works with PowerPoint. So the benefit is it's easy to use because it's an interface people are already familiar with. You are already working in Microsoft Office and PowerPoint, so it's very easy to work within that. The software that we're looking at, working with PowerPoint, handles a wide range of formats, including PowerPoint templates, which are readily available, images and graphics, text, audio, and video. So the software we recommend is iChannel. It works with the Windows operating system. So this works on any Windows computer and monitor. You can control multiple screens. You can display different messages on each screen. You can offer in-depth scheduling. If you've got Christmas sales coming up and it's still Halloween, you can have all your Christmas messages preloaded, and maybe they don't start until November 1st, the day after Halloween. iChannel works with PowerPoint and lets you connect to data streams such as web, news, weather, RSS feeds, and data files. This means that your content can continually be updating. So you can set and forget it. If you want to show weather in your coffee shop and news, a news ticker, then it will automatically be updating every day. iChannel is used by companies such as Boeing, Microsoft, Sony, IKEA, eBay, NASA, and many others. And you can purchase a license and try it for 30 days. Give it a full trial, see what you think of it. And they offer a money-back guarantee if you've tried it for 30 days. So to learn more about iChannel digital signage software, visit presentationchannel.com. Thank you for listening.